guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria. I'm also known as Mindset and Mascara. That is where you can find me on all my social media. Well, there's a third one. I don't really use Twitter. Twitter I use because Samantha's on there all the time. So but that's where you can find me on Facebook and Instagram. I am a makeup artist. Let me say future makeup artist because I'm still in school. Let me give you a background on me and this channel because I was on YouTube once before, and yeah, I wanted to use this video more as an introduction because I want you're gonna get to know me, as time goes on, but I wanted you to really know kind of the person behind these videos. I will make fun of myself a lot. I am a klutz. I don't take myself too seriously, but all in all, let's start out with, this did used to be a health and wellness YouTube channel, also kind of a motivational YouTube channel. I was a certified personal trainer before I decided to get into makeup artistry, and actually before then I was an electrical designer for, I want to say almost 20 years. So yeah, and I guess that kind of delves into my age. So let's give some background history on me. I was married twice. My first marriage ended pretty poorly. It was an abusive marriage. He is a wonderful father. He's also in a new marriage that is great. We were just not very good for each other. Some people just aren't compatible. We were oil and water. Our personalities didn't mesh. Really, honestly, I don't know why we got married in the first place, but all is said and done, that is what happened with that relationship. So you can imagine something happened before that marriage, and so my self-esteem was pretty down in the dumps to begin with. And then of course add on an emotionally abusive and physically abusive marriage, and my self-worth was just completely at an all-time low. So cue in my second husband, who, he had me on a pedestal. He brought me out of my shell. He got everything, got me to start looking and following my dreams, following what I want to do, because I wasn't happy. I was not happy with myself, with how my life was going. I wasn't happy. I had two beautiful kids, and I still have two beautiful kids. They will not be on this channel, however, because I don't want to kind of put them in the not really spotlight, because it's YouTube, but I just don't want to put them on the internet. If you see my social media too, I rarely ever show them. It's like once in a blue moon. Not even on the first day of school do I put pictures of my kids up. Not that I don't love my kids, I just don't want them out there. It's up to them, but right now, no. I'm very strict as far as the internet's concerned, and Facebook and all of that. My son's 13 and he still doesn't have a Facebook account, so yeah. Okay. Anyway, enough of that. I had like zero self-esteem, and in high school I was very, very overweight. I've always had issues with my weight. I am a recovering emotional eater and food addict. So yeah, that's where I went back to school to get a handle on my health, which is why I became a certified personal trainer. So in high school, in high school, in my younger years, I was a tomboy. I never wore makeup. I never took care of my skin. None of that. It wasn't until probably a year and a half ago. I want to say a year and a half ago. Yes, a little over that I really started working on myself. I really started working on my self-worth, my self-esteem, my health, and everything. I mean, I was close to 300 pounds. I still have weight to lose, yes, but I am getting there. So, cue in makeup. So I started losing the weight, and I started feeling good about myself. And I was like, you know, I kind of want to start playing with makeup. I knew nothing about what I was doing. Okay, as you will see, I'll probably post some pictures up here or wherever of some of the looks that I did. And I started loving it. I liked the way it made me feel. I liked that, you know, it could cover up some of the acne scars, and I've got like broken capillaries on my nose, I've got blackheads and all of that, and I just loved the way that it was just a blank canvas, and it was a way for me to express myself. So what did I do? Naturally, I started delving into it and practicing and doing all of that, and in the span of a year, I learned a lot. And then I was like, hey, you know, I kind of want to go to school. I want to learn more of this craft. I want to learn more of what I can do with makeup. And so that's when I started the online school that I'm going to, and started with that. And then I just started posting a look every day on Facebook and Instagram. And here I am. I decided to start a YouTube. I'd been telling everybody I was going to start a YouTube for a while, but just kind of didn't do it. So yeah, I got started into the makeup game like very, very late in life. I will tell you, I am 39. Yes, I am 39. And you hear all these things about, I love, if you can see, I love color. I'll also post some of the other looks that I've done. I love color. I'm not afraid of color. Most of the looks I do have color. I don't delve into neutral very often. When I do, there's always some kind of color in there. But I mean, you even see it in my hair. I have the viewfinder here. Anyway, but my hair is usually vibrant and bright, and I get it touched up every few months. Also, yeah, I love color. And for a while there, I was always listening to, you know, the rules is you're too old to do bold, vibrant looks. You're too old to pull that off. You're too old for this. And I'm like, you know what? Screw it. I don't care. This is what I like. This is my personality. This is how I am. And what's funny is a lot of my closer friends was like, you know, your makeup actually matches your personality. Because people that know me, I'm bubbly. I am high energy. I love talking to people. I love I'm just, in general, a happy person, and I like to spread that around to everybody, and I'm a very positive person. I never used to be, and I want people to know that no matter what you're going through, no matter what things are happening in life or how unhappy you are or whatever, there's always help. There's always a way to get yourself out of it. Because I promise you guys, I was the lowest of lows, and I pulled myself out, and I'm happy. I'm much happier for it. I am doing something I absolutely love and am very passionate about. I'm shocked because I'm somebody that never used to wear makeup. I hated makeup, and now I started doing this, and I absolutely love it. So, you know, you find your path, and no matter how old you are, you find your path. So yes, I am an older YouTuber playing around with bright makeup, and I love it. Anyway, so yeah, that's what this channel pretty much is going to be about, or that's what pretty much what I'm about. And this channel, of course, is going to be about beauty, maybe a little bit of health thrown in there, motivation, things like that, skincare, you know, really? Anyway, so skincare, of course I'll have tutorials and stuff. Samantha March is probably my favorite YouTuber out there right now, and she does a thing called Will I Buy It? I will probably be doing that too. So anyway, thank you for hopping on. I just wanted to introduce myself and let you get to know me. So I love you guys. Bye.